Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineer. My name is Justice Umwaka. I am your instructor. Today, I'll be showing you how to detail a staircase reinforcement, and I am using Stonebridge Company structural detailing template, as you can see it here. So this is an automatic template which guides you on how to detail your structural drawing, and it is being configured with the software called Protastructure. So once you're done with your design in Protastructure and you paste your structural detailing into this Stonebridge Company detailing template, it makes your work very easier. This is what you get, and also it also give you a perfect structural detailing, which will be globally accepted. Okay, but for today's lesson, to show you how to detail a staircase reinforcement, because we have been having a lot of comments that we should do a video on how to detail a staircase reinforcement. So we will be using this building plan that we are just about to um, um, perform this design. But we will first of all go over right now to detail for the staircase, because we have been having comments on how to that we should do a video for this staircase. So right now, once you get your building plan, the first thing to do right now, if you want to just do your staircase, is to copy the building plan right now. So just copy the building plan right now into the Stonebridge Company template, as you can see it here. So if you want this template, I would say you should just click on the link below and download it. It is just less than $10. Okay, so right now, once you copy that right now, I would say you should just create a place for your own self here, and then right click right now and paste that your copied plan right now into this template right now. So once you copy it into this template right now, since our mission here is just to show our or to perform our staircase detailing, what we'll do right now is to remove everything which are not necessary and just leave only the staircase plan right now. So what I'll do right now is to just first of all copy this right now to just make a reference of this plan, then begin to remove from this place, not from here, from this place right now, what are not necessary. So right now, this for me right now, this is not necessary right now. So I'll remove this right now and just leave only the staircase plan, because that is what I want to see. So I'll just remove all the staircase plan right now, all other things which are not necessary right now, and then leave only the staircase plan. So I'll just do this right now, remove this right now again, and then remove this from here, and just remove the attachment from the staircase, and then remove this also, and then just remove this also again right now, and remove this also and this also, and then take off this right now. Okay, and remove all these panel symbols, and then remove this also. Then try to form a block around this place to now begin to trim off this excessive grid lines. So I'll just form a block using my eye gauge right now to form this right now. You can also use stretch to just reduce all this grid line right now. So I'll just do this right now and just do this again and do this also right now. Then I'll come here right now, remove this right now. You can see what I have right now. I can now go right now and make this right now and just change this place right now to staircase plan. As you can see what I'm doing right now, change this onto staircase plan. Okay, sorry, staircase plan, staircase plan, and then just try to position this right now, this place. So right now, the first thing to do once you see your staircase plan right now is to first of all identify where the going is coming from. So from this staircase now right now, looking at this arrow right now, you can see this arrow is going like this now. This shows that this is where every movement into this staircase will like start from. So anyone coming into this building or that want to climb to this staircase, we have to start from here and begin to climb and then climb to the next floor. So in this case right now, this now becomes our first floor. This now becomes our first landing, as you can see it here. Why this other place here becomes our second landing, which you now from there and enter into any floor you want to enter. And then this place now becomes our staircase base. Now all these things you're seeing here right now, they are called steps. You can see that. And then this is also a thread. So first of all, go and identify what is the length of your thread. You can see there the length of our thread right now is 300, as you can see there, 300, as you can see it right here. So you just check if they are also uniform. Okay, you can see that they are typical. So all the steps length, they are all typical. So this is now okay for me. I have known that right now. So the next thing to do right now, this is also not this is not, I'll just take off this right now because it's not needed. So right now, once you see this right now, first thing to do right now is to just rotate this your staircase plan right now to be an 190 degree, which will make it to be horizontal, because this is already 90 degrees. So if I make it arrow right now. I'll just select this plan right now and then type arrow, which means rotate, and then click at the midpoint here right now, and then type 90 degrees, and then just type enter. You can see that right now. So once I see this right now, just bring this up closer right now again right now. So I have now known that this is where the staircase starts from. So this will be the base of the staircase. So this is my first flight, and this is my second flight, as you can see there. So this is the first flight of the staircase, and this is the second flight of the staircase. So right now I have to now show my section drawing, because for you to draw your for you to begin to draw your staircase section, as you can see it here, you can see all the sections. You must have to show how you're cutting your sections. So right now, I'll just copy this one right now. You can see that I'm copying from this template right now into this my place where I'm trying to perform the staircase detailing right now. So I'll just copy it right now and then keep this here right now. Okay. I will now go right now and rotate this right now, arrow, and then rotate this right now to angle 90 degrees. Let me see that, and then enter. Okay. And then copy this right now. Just move this right now into this place and just keep it somewhere here. I'll change this right now to a color of so that it can be at least visible. I'll change to yellow, and then change this right now to change to magenta, and then I'll call this right now section A and B. You can see that, and then I will also copy this downward right now again, or just take this first of all, take this up to this place right now, keep this here right now, and try to mirror this by using MI. I'll just set it right now to MI right now. Once I do MI right now, MI, and then mirror, and then just click 90 degrees. You can see that right now and say yes, rotate. Okay, so you can see that right now. So this is now section BB. So I'll copy this again, right? So if I cut through this first flight right now, the first flight will be called section BB. As you can see that what we have as our sample here, you can see our sample, we have two sections. Once they cut this right now, this is the first and second one. So that one I've cut right now is the first flight, which will be something like this. So right now, I go right now again on this place right now, and then go here right now. So we have gotten our first section right now, you can see there. So I'll copy this again down here right now to also show the section for this other second flight, because we are going to draw all these sections right now in less than 20 minutes. Okay, so right now I'll go ahead and call this section CC. I'll just call this right now C. You can choose to number your section how you want. You can also choose to number it 1 and 2 or 3 and 4, anyhow you want. But I want to use A and BB and CC on this on for this example. So right now, once you've done this right now, next to do right now is to now bring out. Now look at how simple. I'll show you guys how to draw this staircase section. Most people draw it very confusing, but I'll show you very simplest way to draw this staircase section, which will take us just 20 minutes. Okay, so right now just go here right now, and then from this stone bridge template right now, I'll just go here right now and then activate the layer called STB callout, which means stone bridge callout right now. So if you want this template, I'll say you should just click on the link down below and download this template. It will help you a lot to reduce your work to at least 80%. Okay, so right now just go ahead and click on what XL, enter, and then V, enter right now, and then begin to call out all this thread right now. I'm going to call out all these steps thread right now. Call this out, call this out, call this out, and call this out right now. Okay, you can see it right now. So I'm going to add XA again right now, vertical again, and call this landing out right now. So you can now see that we have called out this landing out and call these steps out for this place, and call this all these steps out at this place right now. So right now, I will now go right now and then go this way and now activate what they call my STB staircase. That STB staircase is a layer that will be used to draw our staircase. So right now, just go ahead and just activate STB staircase. So I'll just find it right now and then locate it right now. STB staircase. If you have seen that, just okay, this is it. Okay, so right now I'll just go ahead and not click on STB staircase. Okay, so once I click on STB staircase right now, it is now being activated. Here must be by layer, here by layer, and here by layer. Okay, so right now go here right now and click on this place right now. Okay, I'll just go and click on what XL, enter, and then I'll go and click on what H, enter horizontal, and then form my baseline for the staircase. So this now becomes my datum or the baseline for the staircase. Okay, so right now, next to do right now is to now locate this right now. You can see that our first step starts from this point. This is where our first step starts from, and this is where our last step for this full first flight ends. So if you count all the steps that we have here right now, we have first step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So we have 7 threads. As you can see there, we have first thread, second thread, fourth thread. From here to here is called it is called the number 1 thread. Then from this point to this point right now is called 2. From here to here is called 3. From here to here is called 4. From here to here is called 5 thread. If from here to here is called the 6th thread, and from here to here is called the 7th thread, or the 7 steps. Okay, so right now we have 7 steps before our landing. So this place right now, from here to here right now, is called a landing. So we have 7 steps to climb, or 7 threads to climb, before we can now meet our landing, so that we can now make our either to go back or to continue the steps and now begin here. So, okay, so right now this is the first flight which I want to draw right now, which is section BB. So right now I'll just go right here right now and then begin to draw it right now. Now to draw it right now, you go to and click on this place called line, and then the base of your staircase is always 600. That is the minimum. So right now I'll go here right now and click on this place and then type 300 backward, as you can see there, and then go here again right now from this step again right now and type 300 outward, out like leftward, and then 300 again forward, and keep it here. And then I'll now go upward here immediately right now without pressing escape key. Don't press escape key. Once you type 300 outward and inward, then begin here right now at this place. Okay, let me just take off this base right now. I can see what we have done right now. We have just done this first one right now, which is a 300, as you can see it here, and then do this one again right now. This is also 300 right now. The whole idea right now is for you to draw a 600 base. You can see the solid base, which you have 300 inward and 300 millimeter outward. Okay, so right now I'll now click again and click on line right now, and then click at this place and now type 450 and say enter. Okay, so right now again, once I type 450 right now, the first thing to do right now, you can see that right now. So once I type 450 right now, the first thing to do right now, begin right now to now start drawing my my threads right now. So right now I'll click on this place right now and type my first thread, which will be what, 300, and say enter. Okay, and I go up right now and type my risers. For this staircase, the riser for this staircase is 150. Riser is always 150, 750, oh sorry, 150 millimeter, 175 millimeter, and the maximum you can get for a riser is 200. So we used to use 150 as the minimum riser height, and then 175 as the minimum, as also the next riser, and also 200. So if you don't use 150, you use 175, or you use 200. Don't try to miss your 2 risers. You have to choose one riser and then and then be consistent with it. Okay, so right now we are using 150, which comes from the design. Okay, so right now I'll just type my 150 right now as my riser and type enter, and then I'll go again right now and type and type um and go ahead and type my first this again riser again, which is called 300, which is a thread. Enter. Go ahead and type 150. Enter, and then go and click here. Go again and type 150. Enter, and go and click here. Go up and type 150, enter, go and click this point, and go and type 150, enter, and then go and click this point, and go and type 150 again, right, enter, and go and click this point, and go and type 150, enter, and then go and click this point, and then go and type 150, enter, and then go and click this point for the landing right now. Okay, so you can now see what we have just done right now. So if we count what we have right now, you can see that we have the first one here, which is this. So we now have one of these right now, as we now have first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step, 7. You can see that. I know most of you right now will be saying, why didn't I count this as step? This is not a step, because this is the first base. This is the base, which is called the foundation. So this is the base, you can see it there, and this base also can also be taken as this. Let me show you right now. So this is the base right now. You can see that this is the base. This is where the person we first of all start to climb. So with this right now, you don't count this place as step. You count this first step here as a step. So this is not the first step right now, and this is the first base. You can see there. So right now you can see that we have 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step, and 7 step. As you can see, what they're finding there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then we now have our landing, which is also this place, right in this place here right now. Okay, so right now again, right now we now go here right now, and then press line enter, which is enter, and then go here. Okay, so right now we now go right now to go and offset our landing, and our landing thickness is a slab thickness, and our slab thickness for this entire building is 150 millimeter. So right now we just go right now to now go and offset our our staircase landing thickness as 150 millimeter. Sorry. Okay, and then offset this right now and keep this here. Okay, we now go here right now and just join this right now with line right now and join with line. Okay, so we now go here right now to now go here and activate STB hidden detail, as you can see it here, and then click on this place right now, the line, as you can see there, and then click at this first point here and click at this last point here. So once I did this right now, I'm trying to offset my staircase waist. This is what they call staircase waist. Like you can see, this is what they call a staircase waist. You can see there. This is a staircase waist. You can see there. So I want to go and offset my staircase waist. A staircase waist is always, most people use 150, but I advise that you should use 175 at least, minimum 175. Most people go ahead to 150, but 150 becomes very tiny at this span of the staircase, and then most times it tries to share or like break into two. So I'll say you should use 175. 175 is good for this staircase waist. Okay, so right now just offset right now. Click on O, enter, and then type 175, and then say enter, and then just click on this place right now and then offset this right now. Okay, so right now just do match properties MA and then match this right now to this right now. Okay, right now I'll now go here right now and then click at this point right now. I'll just go here right now, click at this point, right? This point of my 600, you can see there from here to here 600. Then click at this point right now and then join this to this right now. You can see that, and then match properties again right now and match it with to these properties. Okay, and then click on trim, click arrow and trim of this. Okay, so right now again I now go here again right now and then trim, and then just click on what F, enter, arrow, enter, and type 0, enter first. Sorry, 0, enter, and then do this right now and then do this. Okay, so this is now what we have right now. So you can now see that we have successfully created our first landing, as you can see it here. So sorry, our first flight right now, which is section BB. So right now we will just go here right now, copy this right now, and then or go to this place right now and then copy the text font and everything that is being set for this stone bridge detailing. Okay, copy this right now, and then come here right now and then paste and call this section BB, as you can see it here, section B and section B. Okay, and if you don't want this text font, you can also go and copy this text font, which is also set for standard. Copy this one here right now. Just copy this text font right now also on this place. If you want to use a simplest text type, copy and keep it here, then remove this immediately and then go here right now and then type section B, sorry, give a space, B, sorry, B. Okay, and then try to make this longer. Okay, and then highlight everything here and then type Ctrl U, which is to underline. Okay, so you can now see that we have successfully drawn this section BB just now. You can see that right now. So right now I'll just have to now if I copy this out from here right now, you can see what we have just gotten right now. So the next thing to do right now is to start showing you this section reinforcement. As you can see what we have here, we have a reinforcement here, as you can see it here, but I will also show you this right now. But before we do that, first of all, since we have done the first section, as you can see it here, we also go and produce the second section, which is the section CC, which is the second flight for this staircase right now. So to do this right now, I'll just bring this text downward or just keep it upward here, and then I'll go right now and go here and to activate my staircase STB staircase, and then go here XL, enter, and then I'll go here right now and type H, enter, to form the base for the second flight. I'll form it here, and then I'll now go here right now and then type L, enter. I'll type L and enter and click on this place, which is on this base which I've just found right now, and then make my line straight by pressing F8 key, and then go here right now and type my slab thickness, which is 150, which now becomes our staircase landing thickness, 150. Enter. I will now go here right now and then click at this place. You can see this point here, because this is where this is the point where where this first landing stops, is at this point. So I'll go here right now and click this point right now, and then go up right now, type the height of my riser, which is in this case is 150. Enter. And then I'll go here and click this point right now, go again, type 150. Enter, go here and click this point. You can see there 150 again. Enter, go here. Either you click this point or either you click this point or you type the length of this thread. So the length of this thread is 300. So if I type 300 right now, it will still come and hit this point. Okay, I'll now say enter. I can see there it hit here. So just to be fast, I'll just go here right now and type again 150, and then go here and click this place 150 right now and say enter, and then go here and click this place, go up 150 and type enter, and then go here and click this place, and then go up again 150 and enter, and then go here right now and click this place. And then right now, if you check here right now, you can see that we have also this place has another thread, has another step on this other second flight. So I'll go here right now and activate my STB call out to like call out this to like call out this step and this rise and this landing right now. So I'll go here right now and say XL enter, vertical enter, V is V, and call this out, and also call this out again. So right now I'll now go and continue, go here right now again and then activate my STB staircase, and then go here right now and say L enter and type this and start from here where I just stop right now and say L enter, click at this point and continue and say 150, which is the riser, and then go here and click here, and then go again 150 and go and click enter, and go here and now click on this last riser right now. So right now I cannot see that we can now go right now and offset our slab thickness, which is also called the landing thickness, which is now in this case I'll type 150. Okay, and then type what enter. All this depth was gotten from our design reports. Okay, so right now I now go here right now and go activate my STB hidden detail, okay, which is stone bridge hidden detail, and then go here right now, type L enter, and then click from this point right now, and then click at this last point right now for you to be sure that this is okay what you have drawn. You can see that all these points must meeting at this inclined line. I can see there that shows that you have drawn your staircase very well. So right now, from here right now, we will now offset our waist of the staircase. I'll type O enter, and for this case I'm using my waist to be 175, and say enter, and then click on this place and offset 175 downward. And then right now I can now go and say match properties right now. I'll match this right now to this right now, and then right now I'll now go here right now. I'll now go here right now and remove this and just say F enter, and click on this first and click on this again. Okay, and then I can now go here again and say F enter, click on this place, or I'll just use trim and trim off this right now. Okay, I'll now go here and type F and say F enter, and then click at this place, this line, and then click and somewhere here. Don't click backward, you just click forward here. Okay, and then go here right now and click line L enter, and then click at this point and click at this point right now. Okay, so right now you can now see that we have formed this other one again right now. We just copy this right now again right now, CP, and then copy it out right now from this place right now, and keep this here, and this is section what CC, because that's what we have done right now. So copy this right now downward right now, and then bring it down here right now and call this right now section what, just edit this right now and say section what CC. Okay, and double click on this one right now and say this one change to C. Okay, so right now you cannot see what they've done right now, so you can just see it right now. So if we dimension let me see, match about this first right now, match this right now to this. Okay, so if we now you cannot see how we have created how we have created this session right now. You can see how easy it is, and also created this other flight also. So if I take off this right now, I can see what I'm doing right now. Take off this right now by E enter, you can see that we have drawn for this right now, for this first flight, and also we have also done for this also for this second flight. And see it here. So right now, if I now go here right now and dimension this place, if I dimension right now from this point to this point to show my landing dimension, you can see that this is 925 right now. So let's confirm it also from here to here right now. You can see that we also have, let me say, from this point to this point, there might be some okay. Okay, there are some dimensions that, okay, you can see that we have here 925 and we have here 924. It can be some dimension error, but you can see that it's just one distinct difference. So this is okay. And if you also go right now and check this other side here, by from here to here, you can see that we have the same thing here. Okay, if you check this one also from here to here, you can see that we have 900 here. And if we confirm this right now from here to here, we have 901. Those things are when we are trying to do that fillet. You can see that tried to shift when we did this fillet F. It tried to you can see that when this if we do this right now, fillet right now, it will try to shift. You can see that it's trying to shift something. So there is a shift of 1 millimeter outwards. So right now, to now correct that right now, you can see that since this is 11925, which came from the plan, so we'll just go here right now and extend this by using just one to make it 125. Extend this right now and type one. So you always try to confirm your own if it's okay. So also do the same thing here. Also extend this by one and then just type one. This now becomes 125. You can see there. So always confirm to see if it's okay. Also confirm also if your thread are all 300. So check this also. You can see okay, this is okay, 300. And also confirm if your waist is 175. Confirm this if it's 175. Okay, confirm this from this point to this point. You can see that 175. Okay, this okay. Then also confirm if your landing thickness is 150 as you have said. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so right now we have confirmed all this right now, and then we have said that this is okay. And then just take this off right now. Okay, so right now you can see what we have done right now. Okay, now let me show you now how this thing right now, before we begin to show our staircase reinforcement, just like this, as it is here right now, as it is on this place right now. You can see that. I'll show you how this staircase will be in reality, how they will be casted during the casting, and how they will form the formwork. So since this is the first flight, as you can see, this is the first flight right now. So and this is the second flight, which is from CC, as you can see it here. This is on CC, sorry, section. Let me just copy this right now. This is on CC. Okay, this is the first flight cross section, and this is the second flight cross section. As you can see it right now. So if we copy this right now, this is how it will be in real life during, okay, if we copy this right now, CP from this point right now onto this point, as you can see it here, you can see that they fit in perfectly right now. You can see that. So since this is our first flight, I will differentiate this right. I'll just move this first right now. I'll differentiate this right now by using hidden detail for this. So I'll just select all this second flight right now and make it hidden detail. Okay, select this also right now and make this. So go here and select hidden detail, STB hidden detail, STB. Go down and select that STB. Just say XTB. Sorry, XTB. Hidden detail. Okay, this is it right now. Okay, you can see that right now. Can now go and say CH to increase, to make this place to be a bit. Let me say 10, so that so anyone can see. Okay, let me make it 50, so it can be okay for anyone to see. Okay, this is nice. Okay, okay, so right, you can now see that this is high to be on reality, and then we can now go right now and then just trim off this right now. Okay, this is how to look like right now on site, and then we can remove this and just bring this downward. This is just to show a reference of our waistline, the staircase waist, and keep this here. Okay, so right now again, you can now see how it looks like, right? So this is how it will now be like on the site right now. This is now now go right now and claim off this. Okay, and claim off this right now and make it okay. Let me just leave that right now. Okay, so if someone now clamps on this place, this is how it will look like right now. Let me just try to draw someone like this trying to climb this staircase right now by, let me use a red line Just make it red. Okay. And then try to do this right now just to show you a simple clarity of how it would look like when somebody's climbing this staircase right now. Okay, let me start from this place and do that right now from this place. Okay, and then go here right now and click at this place right now, and then go down here right now, click at this place right now, make my line just, I'm just trying to show a like a, let me say a human being trying to climb this staircase right now. Okay, and let me say this is now the person's hand, something like this right now. Okay, and then this also goes here right now. Okay, so let me say this is also red right now. Let me just do it this way right now. Okay. Okay, this is perfectly, I think this is perfectly okay. So this is how it will now look like. This is the person climbing this staircase right now. So when the person climbs here right now, as you can see it right now, when it gets to this place called the landing, this is how it gets to be climbing this way. It gets to be climbing, as you can see it here, climbing and gets to this place. This landing is called a resting point for anyone climbing in case person is tired. The person will now start, just of all, stop on this landing and then rest, and then now go ahead again and then now begin to climb this other side. So the person will just turn right. Let me just try to mirror. The person will just turn right now. This person will just turn immediately and turn this way right now and then begin to climb again. You can see what's happening right now. Then person begin to climb again and then begin to climb. You can see that person can climb up to this place and then continue and continue and continue. So person can climb also here and then you can see that and then continue his or her climbing and continue till the person reaches this place and then open this door and then enter into the parlor of the first floor or any other floors. So you can see that this is how the staircase is being done. You can see that right now. Like I said before, Ekidel right here is committed to like train full civil and structural engineer who want to build their career. Okay, so right now you can see that how this is being done. Okay, so right now we now have our section BB. You can see there the section and also CC. Okay, right now let us now begin to now show the staircase reinforcement. Okay, so right now show the staircase reinforcement right now. I'll just do this right. Let me just do this first of all right now and keep this somewhere here, and then just drag this backward again and keep this somewhere here right now. Okay, so right now I'll just go here and make this also by layer. I will now go here right now and activate my top STB top bar or bottom bar. Okay, STB rebars. Okay, so right now go here right now and type enter. I'll now offset my what they call concrete cover for staircase, which is in this case it is 25 millimeter. I'll offset this right now and just offset this right now and offset this right now. I'll use join to join this together. Just click on this and then this also and this. Let me just undo this back right now and just say enter to offset the what they call concrete cover right now and just type 25 right now, enter, and offset this. Let me do join again. This didn't join. Okay, let me do join and join, enter. Okay, this is now okay. Okay, so offset the cover right now, 25 millimeter concrete cover, and then offset this right now, and then offset this also, and offset this also, and then offset this right now, and then try to offset this also from this place. You can see that offset this from this place right now. Okay, I will now go here right now and turn these ones to reinforcement layer because these are the reinforcements. Turn here right now, go here and say STB, go down STB right now, rebars, and click on it. Automatically to just turn and then match properties right now, match this right now to this and not to this, but this one here. Okay, so this now becomes our cover of concrete, which is 25 millimeters. You can see there, 25 millimeters. You can see there. The same thing happens here, 25 millimeter, and also at this place, 25 millimeters. Also, okay. So right now, we can now do F, enter, and then try to fillet this place and also fillet here also point right now, and then right now we now go and fillet from this point to all the way to this point. You can see there. Okay, this now becomes our staircase reinforcement. Okay, so right now we will now have to provide lapping for this top reinforcement for the staircase, and lapping is always and also the how to get your lapping length is always 50 multiplied by the diameter of bar, and this diameter of this bar is 12 diameter. So if we do QC right now, which shows our calculator right now. If we now want to know the lapping length of this top bar right now, since the size of this bar is 12 meter diameter, which is T 12 or Y12 or H12, we will now go right now and say 12 multiplied by, or 50, sorry, from the formula, 50 multiplied by by the diameter of bar, which is 12. I'll just say, so this now becomes our minimum lapping. So this is the minimum lapping that you are allowed to lap for this staircase top reinforcement. So right now, since this is the minimum, that means I cannot go below this. But if I have enough material, I can go above this. So instead of using 600, which is called the um, which now becomes my staircase reinforcement minimum lapping of 600, I can go ahead and use 750 or 1000. So right now I want to use 900 for my staircase rebar lapping. So right now I will now have to lap this place by 900. So if I click from this point right now, since this is my first one right now, I will now go right now and count 1, 2, 3. Okay, so right now my lapping now starts from 1, 2, 3. I'll start from here right now and then locate 900. So if you look at this right now, since this is 300, this 300, and this, that means now will be around here. So I'll just go here right now and type 900 right now. Okay, that stops here. You can see that. I can now go and type F8, which makes my line straight, and click on this place. And then I'll type TR and trim this off from here and remove this right now. The whole idea is to get this length of lapping 900 and just take this off. So you can now see that this is now my lapping of 900. You can see there. So right now, I'll do again FL. Just F, and also chamfer this together. Okay, so right now you can now see what I've done right now. So the same thing happens here right now. Also go here right now, enter and offset my 25 cover of reinforcement for this staircase, and I'll offset here 25, offset here 25, and then I'll say match properties first and match this place to name it as the reinforcement layer, as you can see it here. And then I can now go here right now and say TR trim and trim off this and trim off this. Okay, now if you look at this plan right now, on this place there is a column and there is a beam. Also, you can see that there is a beam under this landing, carrying this landing right now. So we have to show that beam right now on this place right now, and the beam depth of that of and the beam depth of that beam is 450. So right now, go here right now and type line, and then click on this place right now and type 450. But first of all, I'll have to go and change the layer first of all to a beam layer. So I'll have to go for STB, and you will see STB beams. You can see the STB beams. So right now, click on this right now, and I'll go here right now and say STB beam. Okay, go here right now and then go here and type your beam depth of 450, in this case 450, and then the beam width of it, and then the beam width in this case is 225. Enter, and I can now go here right now and then hit it head here. Okay, so right now I can now see that this is where it starts from. So I can just go here right now and bring this downward. You can see that right now. Okay, this now becomes my beam right now. So with this right now, this my staircase reinforcement. Okay, now to now offset this right now, let's do F enter and chamfer this also. Okay, okay, no, this cannot be done like see. Okay, just say just undo. Okay, right now again, right now I'll now go here right now and then show this other one here also. So to now show the concrete cover for here right now, say enter 25, and then offset my concrete cover for this place right now. Offset this first, cover first. Now, instead of me offsetting cover of this place right now, 25 right now, for what you do right here right now is to offset, because if you look at this place right now, you can see that there is this this section BB and section CC right now is going to hit head at this place at the same time. And know that this one also carries a reinforcement. So that cover of 25 is going to start from this one. So right now, what I'll do here right now is to go here right now and offset 12 millimeter, and offset this here now downward, and then go all the way down here right now. Once I do that, I'll now do M enter, and then match properties, and then match this to this right now, and then F, fillet this place right now. Okay, and then with this right now, I will now go here right now and take this reinforcement to find a proper development lapping into this place right now. So I'll just from there and type 200. I want this staircase reinforcement to enter into this beam at least 200 or 250. I'll say 250 and I'll say enter. Okay, can I see that right now? So this staircase, this staircase, this staircase, this staircase rebar right now has found enough development into this staircase, into this beam right now. You can see that. So right now, I can now go here right now again right now, and then go here right now, and then just type this right now, F, enter, and just what I'm doing right now, I'll just fillet this, select this, and select this. I can see there, this one here. Okay, you can see that. Then right now again, I can now go here right now again, and then offset, take this down, take this from this point to this point, as you can see it here, and then offset my cover of 25 from here to here, and then go here right now, and then match properties first, match this to this, and then do F, which is fillet this from this line to this other line, as you can see it here. Okay, so right now, how can I also show my lapping for this also? Because this, you can see that this runs from here to here, but there should be a lapping of the same thing which we just did here right now. So we did 50 times the diameter of this bar, which gives us 600. So right now I will have to use 900 again for my lap, for my lap length. So I'll click on this right now, line. I'll just say line, enter, and then click at this point right now, this point here right now, and then off my auto, and then take my line down here, or just or the best way, click at this point right now and take and snap to this point and type 900, 900, sorry, 900, and say enter. Now you can see that it's ending here right now. I can now go and press my auto line and then keep my line so that and just bring it down here, and then click at this line and then trim from here and trim off this, and then click this and just remove it right now. So you can now see that this now have a lapping at this place of 900, and also the same thing here, also the same thing here. Okay, so you can now see how we have just done that perfectly, just like I can see that right now. So this is how to show the staircase component for this lapping right now. So right now again, right now, I will now go here right now again, before we now begin to show all these other staircase rebar distributions, because this is the main one. So this is the main bottom bar, and this is the main top bar for this staircase. Here and here is the top bar. These two are called the staircase top bar, and this one is called the staircase bottom bar. And if you come to this place right now, this is the staircase landing top bar, and this is the staircase landing bottom bar, and this is the rebar that is being found into the beam to form a good lapping, or to form a good rebar development. Okay, so right now this is also the top bar coming from the base of the staircase, which is called the staircase foundation, which now goes into this place to now form for the top bar, and this also goes from this place right now and goes for the bottom bar. Okay, so right now you can now see that we have done for this right now. Okay, so right now, so let us do the same thing right now by copying this right now. Let me just show you, okay? But before I do that first, let me show you also how to also show this one also. So right now, since we have shown the main bottom bar and the main top bar right now, remaining the staircase rebar distributions to put, which is you will be seeing, we will be doing next something like this right now. We will be showing this rebar distribution right now. Okay, so we have just done for these main bars, which is the top main bar and bottom main bar. Okay, for the staircase. Now right now we now go here right now and then begin to draw for the second flight, and let me show you how to draw for this staircase second flight reinforcement right now. So I'll go here right now again right now and do enter, and offset my concrete cover of 25, and then offset this right now, offset this, offset this, offset this, and offset this from here also, and then go here also and offset this right now, offset this. Then when I come to this place right now, I'll offset 12 here. Remember we did also that 12 here. You will be asked, I know that you will be wanting why didn't I offset here to be 25? But don't worry, yeah, I will show you the reason why I did that to be I did that to be 12. Okay, so right now I now go here right now and then match properties first. I'll match properties right now, match from this to I'll match this right now from this to this and this to this and this to this, and then match also to change to rebar dimension rebar layers, and then do F enter to fillet to cut to just get this shape and get this shape also, and also get this shape here. Okay, and get this shape here right now. Okay, so we do the same thing right now on to offset our cover of concrete from this place of 25 from here to here. Okay, and then match properties right now for a rebar or reinforcement layer, and then right now we do the same thing that we just did right now, where we have to fillet this from this to this right now, and then fillet this from this to this just now. Okay, to now get this shape. You can see there. Okay, you can see, let me just undo to show you what I did just now in case you're confused. I said F enter. Let me just close this right now. I said F enter, and then click at this first one here, not this one but this one here, this one if no if you click, so if you take your mouse closer here, you will be having different shape altogether. But take your mouse forward, you have that shape, this shape right now, and F enter again. Click at this one. You can see there. Don't take your mouse closer. Yes, you have different shape, but take your mouse backward. You have that. You have the good shape. Okay. Then do the same thing here also. F enter. Click at this one right now, and then take your mouse not outward, as you have different shape, but inward, and you have a good shape. And then click again F, just say F enter, and click at this one. Sorry, just undo right now. Undo. Okay, F enter. This one is meant to lap this one right now. This, okay, F enter. Let's see. Okay, so F enter right now, and then this goes to this, yes, and then this now goes to this. Okay, this height is right now. Okay, so right now this is the shape you'll be getting right now. You can see the shape here, and also the shape we have here right now. Okay, so right now we now go over to right now to now go, and this place also, if you look at this is the section CC at this end right now, which is at this end, which is this end right now. There is also a beam here right now, so we are also have to show that beam right now. So we go and activate our ST beam 2 right now. Type line L enter, and type in 450 for the beam depth and 225 for the beam width millimeter. Okay, and then go and just form it here, and then go here right now, and then bring this downward because there is already a layer there for staircase landing. Okay, so right now this now forms a good development into the beam, which is now 250 length long. Okay, you can see that right now. Okay, so right now we have now formed this just like I see what I've done right now. So right now we now go right now. Let me now show you what I'm going to do right now. So since we already know, I'll just copy the no. This is how no we have not done the first one. I can see it here. We have done these two sections for the staircase. We have shown this first this main bar, but bottom bar and also top bar. You can see there top bar. You can see there, and we have also done for this other section too right now. So the next thing left right now is now begin to draw the staircase reinforcement distribution, which are these ones as you can see it here. But before then, right now, I'll show you how this reinforcement will be tied together. Just as I showed you guys how this staircase will be casted together, you can see it here. So let me also show you how this staircase will be tied. This staircase reinforcement right now will be tied together to form this very shape right now. So right now, you can see that if we now copy this reinforcement right now, just copy this whole reinforcement right now, and then just type since this is ST rebars right now, so if we highlight this right now and then or right click right now and say quick select, or just go right now and select all this right now, select all this reinforcement right now for just this flight here, just copy it right now on, or just the reinforcement you can see there, and then copy it right now by using CP or CO, and then enter, and then pick from this point right now you can see there, and then go over here right now again and place it at this very point right now. Okay, this is now what we have, and then go here right now and copy our beam, as you can see it here. Copy our beam from this point right now onto this very point just now. You can see that I'm doing right now. Okay, and also copy our beam from here right now. Just copy the beam and also the staircase reinforcement right now. Okay, only the reinforcements, copy from here and copy from here right now, and then CP, copy it from, let me say, from this point here as a reference point, and then go here, say something and paste it there right now. Okay, and then make this also hidden detail because this is hidden for now. Okay, we just trim off this, trim this. Okay, so you can see what we have gotten. Okay, we can also leave that instead of trimming that off. Okay, so you can see what I've done right now. So we can also make this right now to change this color, since this should be hidden, because for now it will be hidden because we are not seeing it. We are focusing on this other one. Okay, so right now just go here right now and then make this color to be 250. You can see that right now. So you can see that this right now becomes, let me do this right now by using break it on this point and then straight extend this to this place, match properties right now, match this to this right now. Okay, and then you can see how this reinforcement is being entered. You can see that right now. Okay, so right now we now go over to this place right now. We now go over here. Okay, let me just show you again right now. This is now how it looks like. Okay, this is now okay, and this okay right now. Okay, you can now see that what happens here now is that you can see how it is being done. You can see that when the person clamps right now, so anyone carrying a load on this staircase right now, it is this top reinforcement and this bottom reinforcement mixed with the concrete that will be able to withstand the load of that person and the load of which the person is carrying climbing the staircase. Without this reinforcement, this staircase will gonna break into two. There will be a shear and there will be a total collapse of this staircase. But with this reinforcement right now, you can see that everything becomes firm right now. Okay, in my next video right now, I'll be showing you, we will be showing the rebar distribution, and which we will also call out all these rebars right now. So in my next video right now, we will be showing this rebar distribution right now. Just say ST rebars, okay. ST rebars, okay. So in my next video right now, we will be showing this staircase distribution right now, and just type it. Okay, and so in my next video right now, I'll be showing you this staircase distribution just now, just like this, where I will now show you something like this. Right now we will have to now begin to put the staircase rebar distribution using our spacing from the design report, which we will have, which in this case 125 for this landing, and then we have again 125 again for this other side, again 125. Okay, and then we will have it this way, and then we also go here right now and copy this also downward right now, CP or CO, copy this now from this point to this point, as you can see it here. Okay, and we also go ahead again and just say again 125. Okay, and then go and keep this one here. Okay, so this is what we'll be doing now. Next video, we also do the same thing here right now, and just go here and copy this right now and paste this directly here. Sorry, paste this right now, move this from that point to this point right now, and then begin to now offset our spacing of the spacing on this other side right now is 175. So offset is also right now 175, 175, 175, enter. Okay, and do the same thing. So in my next video right now, I'll be showing you all this right now, and also we will also call out this staircase rebars right now, where we will also show other type of staircase details in this plane right now. So you can see that in our next video right now, we will be coming up with this kind of thing right now, where we will show all our top bar and bottom bar distribution, then also show all these places right now, and also call out the bar mark and present it this way. We will also have to now calculate the total number of reinforcement needed. You can see it right, just like this right now. So this is what we will be doing in our next video right now. So you can see how we have successfully shown you how to draw this staircase reinforcements for this staircase plan, and also showing you how to draw the section, and also show how to place the reinforcement, and also explains for you how the principle works, as you can see there. So also in our next video also, we will also show how the concrete will be poured inside this staircase. Okay, so you can see what we are doing right now on Ekidel. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would say you should give this video a thumbs up. Click on the like button. Just click on the like button. And also, if you have not subscribed to our channel Ekidel, I would say you should please click on the subscribe button. And also, please, for all our subscribers who also enjoy our channel, please help us to grow by sharing our video to all your friends, and also ask your friends to come and also watch our channel, like watch our videos, and also to come and gain what is happening in Ekidel right here. Also, I hear my friends all the way from Ghana. I hear you guys from Ghana. You guys are doing perfectly great. I also hear all my subscribers from Tanzania. I also hear all my subscribers from Ghana, and all my subscribers from Dubai and India, Nigeria. I love you guys, and also Kenya. I love you guys also, and also Uganda. I love you guys, and also all over Africa. We love you guys, and also all over Asia. We love you guys. Okay, you can see what I've done right now. Now, if you have any comment regarding on what you have done today, I would say you should drop the comment down below, and we will reply you immediately. And also, if you want to know more about staircase, let me say you are confused of what you have done today, and you want to know more explanation, I would say we on right down on this video description, we have our WhatsApp number where you can just send us a message, or you have to call, or also call us through WhatsApp, either through voice call or video call, and we will reach you immediately and explain all you want to know about structural design, and also other kind of structural designs and all that. And also, please, I would say also, please, that you should please click on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. And then, if you need this template at any form, maybe you want to use it for to do your designs, and also and also your drawings, I would say to get this template, click on the link below and download this template. Okay, so right now you can see that we have come to the end of the lesson, which is to show our cross sections for the staircase. Now, by tomorrow, I'll be showing you guys how to show your rebar distributions. You can see it here. Okay, so thank you so much, and God bless you all, and see you tomorrow. Love you, God.